Are you pondering the best material for hidden door hinges? You're in the right place. In this video, we will explore the essential guide to selecting hidden hinge materials that can serve your residential needs. Let's start. Hidden hinges are often reduced to a simple zinc alloy versus stainless steel comparison, but understanding their suitability is more complex. Different applications like secret rooms, pantry doors, or bookcase doors have unique demands. Material choice plays a crucial role. Hidden hinges aren't easy to replace post-installation, so they must match specific application conditions. Factors like humidity, load stability, cost performance, and maintenance difficulty must be considered. We frame our analysis in a 5-application, 2-material matrix comparing zinc alloy and stainless steel. Let's examine several scenarios. In a secret room, low visibility is crucial. A well-specified zinc alloy hinge usually suffices if matched with an appropriate rating. However, if humidity or a long lifespan is expected, stainless steel becomes a better option. Regarding pantry doors, frequent use requires corrosion resistance. Stainless steel is generally the favorite here, especially near cooking moisture. However, in drier pantries, zinc alloy can still be a viable choice. Bookcase doors create unique stress through their offset weight. A proper specification is essential for material selection to avoid sagging. Both zinc alloy and stainless steel can work here depending on loading. In basement entries, where humidity is a risk, stainless steel becomes indispensable for its superior corrosion resistance. Now let's summarize. When selecting hinges, consider the room environment, hinge loadability, and compatibility with door specifications. Consulting product guidelines and ratings can help prevent costly missteps. Ready to optimize your hidden doors? Explore more detailed guides and check your hinge choices with materials that best match your spaces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful DIY tips.